got my big power tuning on today. This is a base RSX with intake rockers on both sides and TSX cams. Made like 99 horsepower because it's an auto. It's got a KTuner in it, but there's no automatic transmission control, so there's no lockup in this case. It drives a lot better now. It didn't drive for crap when it got dropped off. Like, you touch the gas and it would like break up and bust up and act all kinds of ornery. Seems pretty good now though. So it drives well. It's really what the guy wanted. I don't think it's got any mods besides it's literally stock with rocker arms and camshafts, and yeah, catback, whatever. It's got a cat still in it and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know. It did okay. I made the customer happy. You can show the amazing dyno runs, different speeds. Tried a couple different gears, but we started out at 72, ended up at 98. That's not half bad. So not a very exciting one for me, but as you can imagine.